Randall Reed's Prestige Ford, your local Ford dealership, knows that. Consumers looking for a car dealer aren't just interested in having a great inventory. It's about family. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is family owned and takes pride in providing the highest level of customer satisfaction possible to every customer. Let our family here at Randall Reed's Prestige Ford take care of your family. Learn more about Randall Reed's Prestige Ford at www.prestigegarland.com. While you're there, get loans with little or no money down. Fill out our quick and easy 30-second credit application. Shop from home, buy from home, and see what makes Randall Reed's Prestige Ford the right dealership for you. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is located at 3601 South Shiloh Road in Garland, Texas.